Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
Hey, how's it going out there? I'm John. This is Tanya, and together we're TJ Fun 71, and we're putting this vlog little video together to show our past vacations. We're gathering all of our video equipment, and we're gonna start vlogging all of our vacations. We got a couple cruises coming up. We belong to the Disney Vacation Club, so we're gonna vlog Disney, and we live up in the Great White North of Michigan. So anytime we go out, and we're gonna try every other week to do some kind of venture, and we're gonna vlog that. You got anything to add, Tanya?
Most of what I've done so far is just going to be photo clips. When we get into further trips and vacations, we're going to do videos and really make them fun and worth watching. So stay tuned.
So what got us into vlogging was I looked up, we're going on our first Royal Caribbean back in 2019, and I looked up on YouTube to find out information on Royal Caribbean because Tanya and I, we've been on Carnival quite a few times. So we know Carnival like the back of our hand, but we don't know Royal Caribbean too well. And I came across a vlogger who lives in Michigan also, and watched his vlog, and it was very interesting. And the pandemic hit. So a lot of our vacations got canceled, and I get a little depressed, and you don't know what to do, and start watching a bunch of vloggers doing their cruises, and got us through the pandemic. And there's two good vloggers that gave us great information on what the pandemic is doing to the cruising, what we need to do to cruise in the future, and hopefully we can thank these vloggers in person for the great information, for the great videos, and can sell with them.
Yeah, and we're definitely looking forward to traveling with being stuck home, and between now just being work and home and sleep, and that's about all we do. And this guy right here, all he's been doing is looking up videos on places to go and making plans, and it's a big dream right now, but it's going to be a reality soon. We have a couple little things planned in the works in the weeks coming, and then in January is our next really big trip, and that will be our first time doing our actual vlogging of video and not just the photos and the little short videos that we've thrown in our YouTube, just to kind of see what it's about and see if we're going to enjoy doing this. And we're definitely excited, bought all the equipment, and I've been doing a lot of studying. It's a lot of work to learn it, but I'm very excited about it.
She's the brains, I'm the dumbass.
And the
So not only we're excited about the very first long vlog in January, but it's awesome because it's on Carnival's brand new boat, the Mardi Gras. So it's gonna be, we're gonna have our family with us, and it's going to be very, very fun. And shortly after that, we got another cruise on the Princess Sky. You've never been on Princess, so that's going to be interesting. So I've been on Princess a couple times, so interested to show Tanya around, and the big exciting vacation, which can't wait to go use our Disney Vacation Club. We're going to stay at the Polynesian. Then we're going to stay at the Contemporary, and that's going to happen in April. Our home resort, which I'm going to refrain from going, is Animal Kingdom, because October of 2022 is when we're going to go to our home base of Animal Kingdom. So
for the Halloween, that's going to be
exciting. For the
Halloween,
yeah. So we
look for the upcoming video too of our Halloween adventure this year. We will be doing something like that, and it should be pretty exciting. Got some little secrets that we're going to be throwing in there to make you laugh.
So if you got any suggestions on any kind of adventures, what you want us to do, how can they get hold of us?
Just message, subscribe, like, and message us below.
All right, I think this should do it. Enjoy the pictures, and like Tanya said, subscribe, like, and share.
And stay tuned. Take care.
Have a good day.